So today we are going to be doing a haul and a little bit of like a first impression try on for all of the products that I picked up from the Flower Nose 8th anniversary sale. I've been sitting on this for just a little bit trying to get around to making this video, and I finally got some time. So I'm going to share with you guys everything I picked up from that sale. And if you would like to purchase anything from Flower Nose, I do have a referral link and coupon code down below to get a discount off your order if you choose to shop with it. And I do earn a small commission if you do purchase through any of my links. All right, you guys, I picked up a lot of really good items this time, and I have to admit I do have a pretty large Flower Nose collection at this point by now, if you cannot see already. But I just really wanted to pick up some items from this sale because they had some really good gifts, you guys. You know I am a sucker for the freebies, and nobody does it like Flower Nose. So I definitely got some really good items, and I got some amazing freebies I just have to share with you. Now, if you had missed the 8th anniversary sale for Flower Nose, right after that they did the Black Friday sale, which I believe had the same incentives and free gifts if you bought so many items. So I do believe those were the same items that you could have gotten. So you guys, I'm not going to beat around the bush. I am going to show you the Mac Daddy item that I just had to get. This was if you purchased 8 items. It is the jewelry box. I had to have it. You guys know I am a huge Flower Nose fan and I am a Flower Nose collector, and when I saw this, I died. I'll have to insert a clip because you can't see it up above here, but I do have the pink Swan Ballet jewelry box, and I have the purple violet strawberry rococo one as well. So I had to get this one, and it is beautiful, this baby blue color, and this one has these beautiful little metal corners on here that the other two didn't have. So you know my collector's heart just absolutely went wild for this. And then on the inside there is a mirror here, and then this is what the inside looks like. Absolutely could not help myself. I think that these are so beautiful. Like I said, as a collector, I just had to have it. And of course, I also got the freebie. This is the Butterfly Cloud Collar Collection box, which I do already have. Do I already have 2 of these, or is this my 3rd one? I can't remember. I either have 2 or 3 of this box now. I can't remember, but I do love these so much. I think they're really, really pretty. So I always love getting the gift boxes for free. And if you don't get the gift boxes for free, you can purchase just the box itself for $10 online. So I feel like that's reasonably priced for the size and the beauty of that box. So even if you don't hit it as like a freebie incentive, you can definitely still pick those up that way. The next freebies that I got were 2 of the Butterfly Cloud Collar sticker sets. So I actually didn't get this set originally from my original Butterfly Cloud Collar collection. They sent me the Midsummer Fairy Tales one, so now I've got 2 of these, so I'm glad I at least have one of all the sticker sheets. You guys, again, I know, I'm a collector. And then I also got the Flower Nose makeup remover wipes. I think I might have gotten a couple of these. These actually really came in handy for me a couple weeks ago. I had ran out of makeup wipes and I had nothing in the house, but I had a couple packs of these, and you guys, they saved my butt, and they were pretty good too. So I always appreciate having a little bit of like a backup makeup wipe in time of need. So that was really, really handy. I also, as a freebie, got one of the anniversary mirrors. So this one is the blue butterfly. I think they had the blue, and I think they might have had, it was either pink or purple, I can't remember. Either way, those were the options, and I got the blue one. Now this is actually like a mini size mirror, so the other one I have compared to the Never Shop was also a mini size mirror, so you can see it like that. And then if I compare it to one of the full size mirrors, this one is from Butterfly Cloud Collar. This is the size comparison between those. So a little bit of a shorter handle and a little bit of a smaller mirror, but that is the size comparison for the mirror. And then I can't remember if this was a freebie or if I had a code for this. Sometimes you earn loyalty points and you can redeem for like a free hand mirror. I can't remember if I did that in this order or if this was just one that was thrown in as well. Sorry guys, I can't remember. But I also got one of the Moonlight Mermaid mirrors. Now I already had the pink one, so I ended up getting the blue one here. So I love these so much. Once again, collector. And I just love how striking that blue color is. It's very vibrant and beautiful. So I got that as well as a freebie. And then the last last freebie I got. This one was really cool. I don't know if they have done something like this before, but I think it was a really cool freebie item. And this is actually one of their candles, and they had it in 2 different scents, which is each of the perfumes from the newest collection, the Butterfly Cloud Color collection. So you could either get Snowy Gardenia or Ephemeral Dream. I can't remember if I picked this or if it was just at random, but I ended up getting the Ephemeral Dream one. And isn't it just so cute? It is a little bit of a smaller candle, but it was a freebie and it just looks so cute. I don't know if I have the heart to burn this though, because it is so pretty. But like I said, mine is in the scent Ephemeral Dream, which is the pink perfume from that collection, which is my least favorite of the 2 perfumes from that collection. However, I do still like the scent, and I actually think it works better as a candle scent rather than a perfume for me personally. Full disclosure, it does kind of go a little bit of like a florally, grandma-y, churchy kind of perfume scent. A couple of my subscribers actually described it that way, and I totally agree. It definitely has that grandma, floral, churchy kind of smell, but still a pretty scent. But if you know you're not into that, you probably won't enjoy this scent or that perfume. But yeah, I actually really do like the scent more as a candle, but I just don't know if I'm gonna burn it. Ugh. I want to have my cake and eat it too. I wish I had 2 of these, that way I could like have one to burn and one to collect. I know, I'm ridiculous. But I thought that was such a cool freebie item, and like I said, I don't know if they've done anything like that before, so I just love that they always kind of have something new with their freebies, with their products. It's really fun. Okay, so now moving on to the actual products that I purchased. You guys know that I have so many Flower Nose products, so a lot of these that I picked out today were either things that I wanted to just like fill out my collection with, or products that I love but I didn't have a specific color of. So really quickly, I'm gonna go through and show you guys everything that I picked out. And once again, I paid for all of this myself. None of this was sent to me for free. I paid for everything. If anything was sent to me for free, I will definitely let you know, but everything here I did pay for. So first up, I did pick up another one of the Little Angel collection cream blushes. You guys, I love these. I think I have them all now, and if I don't, I'm either like missing one or I have them all. I can't remember right off the top of my head, but this one is in the color number 3, and it's called Paradise Poet. I feel like it's such a really pretty soft peach kind of color, and I love how it looks on my skin tone, and I am a big fan of this formula. If you're into cream blushes, these are really nice. I absolutely love the formula of these. You can see like it's kind of got that really pretty little peach color. Let's do a quick little swatch there. Hopefully you can see. Oh, it's just so pretty. I love this kind of color on my skin. All right, so the next product I picked out was one of the products that I was just missing like one color of from the whole line. So I decided to pick this one up, and this is one of the glitter eyeliner eyeshadows from the Swan Ballet collection. So I was only missing one. I decided to go ahead and get that one. So this one is in number 3. It's called Rock Ballet, and this one is just a silver crystally glitter type of color, and I am wearing that on top of my eyeshadow today. This isn't part of this haul, but I'll just tell you guys what I used on my eyes today, just in case you're curious. Now this was sent to me from Flower Nose, so I did not pay for this one. This is from the Midsummer Fairy Tales collection, and this is the Hazel Fawn eyeshadow palette, and I just love this one. This is like my everyday type of colors. I would wear this every day and be happy, and these are the colors that I really feel like suit me really well. So that is what I used on my eyes, and then I did just a little bit of that Rock Ballet color on top of that. And the brush of this is actually more of like a crystal liner type of brush, so you could do it as like a glitter liner, but I like these all over the eye more of like a glitter eyeshadow. And I just like applying it with like a flat little synthetic brush like this, and I just pat it all over the eye. I'll wipe off the glitter from the applicator here so it keeps the applicator cleaner, and then I just tap it on like that. That's how I did my eyeshadow today. It's super easy peasy, and I feel like it just gives a really beautiful dramatic type of look. So that is how I got my eye look today. So moving on to the next product, I picked up one of the eyeliners from the Butterfly Cloud Color collection. Now I already have the black one, and I decided to pick up the brown one just because I don't have a lot of brown liquid liners, and I thought that that would be a fun different item to review. So this is called Tea Brown, and that's actually what I'm wearing today, and I have to say I'm actually pleasantly surprised. I don't have a lot of experience with brown eyeliner, and even though this might not be the ideal eyeshadow look today for this kind of color tone, I actually feel like it worked out pretty well. There's something about brown eyeliner that I feel like is so pretty in a really understated kind of way, and I actually really like how it turned out. I do want to play around with this some more with like a more natural kind of eyeshadow look, maybe like a full matte type of eyeshadow look and see what the brown looks like. I feel like it's just a really soft, pretty kind of look, and it's a little bit different than like the really intense, harsh black that I typically use. Blacks can definitely be really striking, but there's something about a brown eyeliner that is just a little bit more softer and really pretty. So I was actually really pleasantly surprised by this one. I do have to say though, I do feel like the black one was a little bit more of like a juicy eyeliner. I definitely felt like with the brown one, I had to shake it up quite a bit more than the black one and kind of go over it a bit more than the black one. Now that could be because I have the glitter liner on my eyes, and that does kind of give it a little bit more of a texture. So it can sometimes be harder to get like a really clean one swoop kind of look. So I did notice I did have to shake this one up a little bit more and kind of go over it a couple times, but I do still really like the look and I can't wait to play with this some more. All right guys, and the last few products I got were all lip products. I'm gonna go and show you guys what all of these look like on me, tell you a little bit about the formula and what colors I picked out. But basically the idea for all of these products, I was wanting to get one of each of the color packagings that I did not already own. Usually in their lip collections, they'll have like 3 different outer packaging colors. So I just kind of wanted to fill in the gaps of my collection and have one of every color. So let's go ahead and move on to all the lipsticks. I have a bunch of them to show you. The first one I got is one of the lip lacquers from the Midsummer Fairy Tales collection, and this one is in the color Alice. This is kind of like a glossy kind of formula, so let's try this one on. So this is the color Alice. I really love the formula of this. It's kind of like a very glossy cream type of formula since it has so much color to it, but it's very glossy and very comfortable on the lips. Imagine like a lip oil with a lot of pigmentation to it. So I was missing one of the white ones, so that's why I picked this color Alice. And same for this one. This is the white colored lipstick from the Swan Ballet collection. This is their glossy lipstick formula, and I got the one in the color Midsummer Night. It's almost like they were dropping hints about the Midsummer collection all the way back from the Swan Ballet collection. Now this one is a lipstick formula and it is a glossy kind of finish to it. So let's go ahead and apply this one. So here is the color Midsummer Night. This one you can tell it definitely has a lot of pigmentation to it. This one almost gives me a little bit more of like a persimmon brick reddish kind of color. And again, very glossy, but it has a lot of color to it. So this is also one of those lipsticks that is very comfortable on the lips if you like a little bit of a glossy formula. Next, I got 2 more of the lipsticks from the Butterfly Cloud color collection. I already had one of the blues, but I wanted another color. And then this was the white packaged one that I did not have. So the blue one here is called Agar Wood, and let's try that one on first. Now this is also like a lipstick formula, but it is their glossiest formula, and to me the texture is almost like a barely solid lip gloss. So you definitely do not want to roll these up very far at all because they are so fragile. So just keep that in mind. So this one is Agar Wood. Alright, so here is the color Agar Wood. Like I said, this is like lip gloss in a tube. Very, very creamy, very pigmented as well, but this one definitely has a lot of that really thin slip kind of texture to it. It's very, very comfortable on the lips. However, I don't think the lasting power is quite as long with this formula because it is so glossy, but this is a really pretty color. I like how this one is almost like a muted brown kind of color, and I actually really like how this one looks on my skin tone. It's kind of like my lips, but just maybe like a shade darker. So this one I actually really like on me, and the scent on this one is just so good. I can't quite place it. It kind of has a little bit of like that sweet caramely kind of scent to it. I would also say do not keep this like in a hot car or like even a moderately hot car. I probably would not want to carry this one around with me like in my purse or anything, just because the formula is just so soft. It could easily make a mess. So that's just one thing to keep in mind. All right, and then the white one here, this one is in the color Red Beans. So let's put this one on again. I am rolling it up like a millimeter. Do not roll it up too far. All right, let's try this one. Another color I quite like on me, this one just has that little bit more of a warmth to it compared to the last one, but this one is another really pretty color. I feel like, once again, it suits me really well. It's got that just a little bit of warmth to it, but not too red or not too orangey. I could definitely see myself wearing this color a lot on an everyday basis as well. All right, and the last lip product I have is one from the Little Angels collection. Now this one is a matte lipstick, so if you're not into gloss, you're not into shine, this is definitely the formula to go for, and I of course did not have one in the black packaging, so I wanted to pick one up, and I ended up going for the color Golden Wheat. Now, if memory serves me right, I think this is a little bit of a darker color. So let's go ahead and try this one on. Alright, and this is the color Golden Wheat. This one's actually not as dark as I thought it was. Maybe I just thought I got a dark one or not, but either way, another really pretty color that I feel like I would totally wear this on an everyday basis. This one almost has just like a little bit of like a dusty peach kind of color to it, but not too warm, not very saturated peach. Once again, this one is very comfortable on the lips. It has a matte texture, but it doesn't really have that dry of a feeling. It reminds me a lot of the MAC Powder Kiss formula, where it has that really soft, velvety kind of texture, but it's really not drying at all, which is amazing for a matte lipstick. So once again, if matte lipsticks are what you prefer, definitely check out the Little Angel lipstick. I think that these are absolutely great. All right, guys, so that is everything that I picked up from the Flower Nose 8th annual anniversary sale. You guys, they have so many sales for the holidays, so if there's anything from this video that you are interested in trying out and you would like to use my referral links, I would greatly appreciate it, and I do earn small commission from it. So if you are inclined to purchase and would like to use my link, just know that I would greatly appreciate it. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on social media. Links are below, and until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.